Do you know this line? This line is hypotenuse. Do you know that how hypotenuse is calculated? We calculate it like hypotenuse squared equal to a squared plus b squared. My dear friend, can you know where this formula is derived? Let us dive in. Now, here we have four right-angled triangle, and I'm going to arrange them like this one. If I arrange like this, let me arrange them like this. Now I have already arranged my triangles like this. As you see, inside the triangles I have another shape, and this shape can be a square. If I put a square here, this shape becomes a square. Now, according to these models, we are going to prove interesting concepts. Now, as you see, this distance and this distance are equal. This means the whole figure forms a square, and this must be a side. Now side is the sum of these measures from here to here, which is A, and from here to here, which is B. Now side is A plus B. Now this is the same as this side. This side is from here to here it's A, and from here to here it's B. Now this side also it's A plus C, B. Now, according to this, we can calculate the area of whole figure. The area of whole figure might be equal to side times side. Now, area should be equal to A plus B bracket A plus B. Now, if I multiply them together, I get A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is the area of whole figure. Now, let me try to put the figure again. The figure was like this. The figure was like this. And then, if we calculate the area of each figure here, the sum of these figures, its area should be equal to the area of the whole figure. Now, let us start by calculating the area of triangles. Now, let's see this triangle. This triangle has a base of A and a height of B. Now, we can conclude that area of one triangle equal to base times height divided by 2. And now the base here is A times the height here is B. Now I divide by 2. Now I can calculate the area of 4 triangles because our figure contains 4 triangles. It's to take the area of one triangle times 4 equal to 4 times A